Hello friends, I'm Monica. Welcome to Fun Gardening. Today I'm going to tell you one of my most favorite and very easy to make fertilizer for winter flowering plants. I usually make this fertilizer for my winter seasonal plants. And if you make this fertilizer, it is a free fertilizer. If you make and use this fertilizer in your winter flowering plants, you don't have to use any other flower booster fertilizer. It is the best fertilizer which which helps to your plants to produce hundreds of flowers, or you can say induce profuse flowering in your winter flowering plants. You can see my portulaca plants. I grow portulaca plants in June end, and they flower in my garden till Deepavali or October, you can say. And after October, after Deepavali, I remove all those plants from my flower pots or containers, and I use those plants to make a very good liquid fertilizer for my winter flowering plants. So these portulacas, they add colors to my garden during July to October, and after that they provide fertilizer to my winter flowering plants. So today I'm going to tell you how I make this fertilizer from these portulaca plants. So I remove all the portulacas from my flower containers, and I will remove all this from all the containers. I have more than 40 50 containers having portulacas and parsley. Both are very rich in nutrients, and they are rich in all the vitamins, rich in iron. They contain phosphorus, nitrogen, potassium, and all type of vitamin B's, other vitamins also. As I said, they are rich in iron. So I use these for making fertilizer. I have collected, you can see, all the portulacas, and you can take a big container according to the amount of these plants you have. If you have a small quantity of plants, you can take small container. In if you have a big quantity, and you can take big container. Presently, to show you, I am making this in a small bucket, like this, as I am doing. Dissolve or all these plants, I mean, so call these plants in water, and fill the container with water, and add 100 to 200 grams according to quantity of amount of these plants. In this bucket, I'm and dissolving 100, approximately 100 grams of jaggery or gur, and this jaggery will help to decompose these portulaca and purslane plants, and cover it with any using any lid or any container. Cover it, and every day remove the lid and give it a good stir. And by stirring, we infuse oxygen in the water, and that oxygen helps in decomposition of these plants. And the jaggery provides food to the decomposing bacteria. Now I have covered this with another container, and keep it in a shady place. And after 1 month or 40 days, your liquid fertilizer will be ready, and these plants will decompose and they'll settle down in the bottom. and you will get a brown colored, dark brown colored fertilizer, rich in all the nutrients which are needed for the flowering plants. So after your fertilizer is ready, take 1 liter of this liquid fertilizer, dissolve it in 10 liter of water, and give this that fertilizer to your plant every 10 days during winter season, and you will get very good flowering in your plants. Your plants will flower, they'll flower profusely, and your garden will be full of colors. You don't have to use any other fertilizer while you are using this. It is a complete fertilizer. So friends, if you like this video, make this fertilizer, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Okay friends, bye.